Well, I tightened up that bar and cut, and that's what just one set of batteries. It stalled out on me on the last cut, and so that's about what you can get. This is fairly fresh walnut, a tree that got damaged summer of 2020 when the derecho came through. And this is black oak. I got to some pretty good diameter, and then I cut some of these little hackberries, just all these little stumps, and piled them up here. Saw that on one set of batteries, and it came with a second set, so yeah, cuts very fast. I like the metal bucking spikes, and I thought my DeWalt was a nice saw, but this one's definitely even easier to cut with, so money well spent, hopefully.